What is the smallest integer that is to be added with 350 so that it becomes a perfect square number? It's a very important math for competitive examination and also math Olympiad. We will find the result step by step. Welcome to Home of Math. Hope you enjoy this math, and if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with others. Let's start. Step 1. To find the smallest integer to be added to 350 so that it becomes a perfect square, let's proceed as follows. First, we will square root 350 and we will get a decimal number like 18.71. Okay, and what is the nearest integer r? 18.71, the nearest integer r. One is 18, another one is 19, right? Step 2. Calculate the squares of this integer. So square of this integer is square of this integer, like 18 square, which is 324, and 19 square, which will 361. Now we will check which one is larger than and lower than 350. So here Here 324 is less than 350 and 361 is larger than 350. Okay, so in this case we have to find out the difference between larger one. So for find difference with 361, because the next perfect square greater than 350, and our question is which integer we will be at, because next perfect square need to find for which integer we will add. What does mean? It means 361 minus 350, the answer is 11. So 11 is a answer. Answer is 11. How? Look, again we read the question. What is the smallest integer that is to be added with 350? It means once we add with 350 this 11, the answer will be 361. Once we make square root this one, we will get 19, which is a perfect square. Okay, hope you understand this one. This is very important math for math Olympiad and also examination, and these kinds of math you have to keep more and more practice at home. Thank you very much for being with me.